Today I want to show you how to use zinc oxide powder in your DIY skincare recipe to soothe irritated skin. Maybe you have acne breakouts, maybe you have a rash. All you need is high quality, awesome, pure ingredients like these and some zinc oxide powder. Now, this recipe was actually inspired by this product. I'm not promoting it, I'm just giving you ideas on how to create something based on products that you like. So this is called Out of Trouble. It's a rescue problem skin mask. I've used this since before I started Shea Butter. So I really like this product. Because if I have a breakout or irritated skin, I put this on and it helps. The reason it helps, it is because of this ingredient, zinc oxide, right here. The reason this also helps is because of an essential oil that is right here, Camphor. And this is a secret essential oil that I have purchased, and that will also go as a secret ingredient in this soothing skin balm. So I just want to tell you, sometimes it helps to have a product that you really like, that gives you an inspiration on how to build your homemade product with ingredients that you choose and that you like and that you trust. Because maybe you don't want to always use products that have a gazillion unpronounceable ingredients like this one. Alright, so our skin soothing salve will have 2 ounces of shea butter, 2 ounces of jojoba oil, half an ounce of beeswax. I've used our pastilles, they're very easy for small quantities, like half an ounce. And then half an ounce of zinc oxide. And last but not least, 24 drops of this amazing camphor essential oil. All right, so the first step is to add the oil, the shea butter, and the beeswax in a heat-proof container, like a Pyrex. It works perfectly. You do not want to add the zinc oxide powder or the essential oils on this step, because the purpose of this step is to melt these ingredients and incorporate them together. But adding essential oils over heat is not a good idea, because essential oils are very delicate and you want to add them when your oils and butters are a bit cooler. And I will show you later when and how to add the zinc oxide powder. Now, the zinc oxide powder can get a little bit clumpy with just humidity in the air. It is a very fine powder, so it is best if you get the clumps out. That way you can mix it in your formula a little better. And the best way to do that, I learned, is through a sifter. A steel flour sifter is perfect. That way it doesn't really stick to it too much. And you just do this. You throw it in and you kind of push it through until there are 0 clumps. And it's ready to be incorporated to your butters and oils. Just create a double boiler with a little water and put your container with the ingredients in it until they're completely melted. Now that you have removed any clumps out of the zinc oxide powder, you can incorporate it into your melted butters and oils. Just add it in, mix it up a few times. The zinc is a mineral, so it will naturally try to settle toward the bottom of a liquid. However, after you mix it in, this formula will go in the fridge. It will get solid, and then you will whip it again, and that will help the zinc get dispersed throughout your formula. And then when you put it on your skin, it will be evenly distributed on your skin, and it will make it very soft and soothing effect. Zinc oxide has this amazing soothing effect for your skin. So then this is also when you add essential oils, when your oils are not so hot. Otherwise that might kind of affect your essential oils because they're delicate oils. So you add it in, mix it up, and now it is ready for the fridge. I like to cover all my body butter preparations before I put it in the fridge because I don't want it to pick up any food smell from the refrigerator. So this is why I cover it. It's really the only purpose of that. All right, so I pulled it out of the fridge after about an hour. It's pretty solid. I want to show you if you can see that the zinc kind of settled toward the bottom. It doesn't dissolve like sugar. It's a mineral, so it will just disperse in your formula. So it's kind of, it is all around, but there's more at the bottom. So we want to whip it to help the zinc powder disperse more evenly in your formula. So when you take your container out of the refrigerator after about 1 hour, it will be hard to detach, but then when you start to stir it, there will be the center will be very soft. So you want to keep stirring in order to grab every part of your butters and oils, and especially the zinc oxide that has settled a little bit toward the bottom. Just scrape it all up so it is not adhering to the walls of your container, and then you can whip it. Now the purpose of whipping is not to achieve a whip fluffy consistency. It is really to mix in all ingredients, especially the zinc oxide. Now I don't know if you knew this silly trick. I only found out after many uses of an electric mixer, but you know how an electric mixer has 2 wands? Well, if your container is not big enough for 2 wands, you just put 1 wand in the mixer, and that's what I did because this formula, it's pretty small, and so I'm using a smaller container, and using 2 wands didn't work out. But there you go, getting nice and whipped and mixed up. So I've whipped it and everything is nicely mixed together. It is very creamy and liquidy, but it will settle more. The beeswax and the shea butter will make it more solid. It will not be this liquid. But I want to show you that, you know, when you put zinc oxide in a lotion, it also becomes a sunscreen. But this zinc at this quantity does not leave a white film. So it just goes on smoothly, and it feels so soft and easy to apply. Anyways, we'll set this aside and let it settle for a couple of hours, and then put it into containers, and then I will show you the final product. And here it is. This is the final product. It is very soft and it smells delicious and earthy, and your skin will love it.